Welcome back to Auto House.
The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is here, and it starts at around $29,000. This subcompact sport utility vehicle offers a practical balance of power, comfort, and fuel efficiency. Designed for drivers who want reliable everyday performance with modern technology and strong fuel savings, the Corolla Cross Hybrid continues Toyota's mission to expand its hybrid lineup around the world. Since its launch just a few years ago, the Corolla Cross has gained popularity in both urban and suburban areas. For 2026, Toyota has refreshed this model to give it a sharper and more modern appearance. The updated version has already been released in markets like Thailand and is expected to arrive in the United States with similar changes. These include a bold front grille with a honeycomb pattern, redesigned headlights, an updated rear bumper, and new wheel designs. These styling improvements give the vehicle a stronger road presence while keeping its familiar compact dimensions. Inside, the 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid features important upgrades in technology. The international model comes with a 10.1-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster. These features are expected to appear in the American version as well, offering a more advanced and user-friendly driving experience. While the cabin still uses basic materials such as hard plastics, the layout is clean, and the infotainment system is simple to use. Under the hood, the Corolla Cross Hybrid keeps the same reliable setup as the previous model. It combines a 2-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an electric motor to produce a total of 196 horsepower. This system allows the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.4 seconds. While it is not the fastest in its class, the hybrid delivers smooth and quiet driving that feels well suited for daily use. One of its key strengths is fuel efficiency. Drivers can expect around 45 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. With a total driving range of about 445 miles, this vehicle is ready for long trips and everyday commutes alike. All-wheel drive comes as standard, giving the Corolla Cross Hybrid better traction and control on wet or uneven roads. It also uses a fully independent suspension system, which helps provide a stable and comfortable ride. However, one area where the vehicle could improve is in its braking system. The brake pedal feels a bit soft and requires more effort to achieve smooth stops. Safety remains a priority for Toyota. The Corolla Cross Hybrid is equipped with the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 package. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, automatic high beams, and a rear seat reminder. These features help make each trip safer and more confident. For those looking for a more aggressive appearance, a nightshade edition may also be available. It features black wheels, dark exterior accents, and red stitching inside the cabin, giving this hybrid a sportier edge. The 2026 Mazda CX5 begins a bold new chapter for one of Mazda's most successful and admired vehicles. Fully redesigned from the ground up, this latest version introduces advanced technology, a brand new hybrid powertrain, and a more refined design. At the same time, it stays true to the core qualities that have made the CX5 a favorite among drivers worldwide: comfort, handling, and stylish looks. Although the overall shape remains similar to the current model, Mazda has made significant improvements to meet modern customer expectations and stricter environmental standards. During testing, early prototypes were seen heavily camouflaged, but their size and stance appeared familiar. This indicates that Mazda is following an evolutionary design approach rather than a dramatic transformation. Subtle yet meaningful adjustments, such as a possible change to the rear pillar, may still be made before the final version goes on sale. Car companies often keep new styling details hidden until the official reveal to maintain excitement. At the front, the new CX5 features a confident and modern appearance. Slim headlights and a wide front grille give the vehicle a sleek and upscale presence. This design reflects Mazda's unique philosophy of combining beauty with function. Every element, from the curves to the grille layout, is crafted to enhance both the look and the driving experience. One of the most significant changes for this new generation is Mazda's decision to simplify its model lineup. The company plans to reduce the number of trim levels and options by about 60%. This move is meant to help customers choose the right version more easily. With fewer configurations, the process becomes more straightforward, while Mazda continues to offer high levels of quality, performance, and design. The highlight of the 2026 CX5 is the introduction of a hybrid powertrain developed entirely by Mazda. Unlike the Mazda CX5, which uses hybrid technology from another automaker, this new system is the result of Mazda's own engineering. It represents a major step forward in the brand's effort to reduce emissions, improve fuel economy, and meet global demand for cleaner vehicles. Under the hood, the CX5 will feature Mazda's next-generation Skyactiv Z engine. This new four-cylinder powertrain is designed to deliver strong performance while meeting tough emission regulations in key markets such as the United States and Europe. It uses high-efficiency combustion technology to offer better fuel economy and lower carbon emissions. This engine is set to replace Mazda's current powertrains and is expected to offer both improved power and everyday drivability. The 2026 CX5 will begin arriving in select markets starting in 2025, with global rollout continuing into 2027. Even as Mazda expands its lineup with models like the CX5, the CX5 remains a key part of the company's global strategy. With its new technology, refined design, and focus on efficiency, the 2026 Mazda CX5 is ready to set a new standard in the compact sport utility segment. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ is one of the most highly anticipated off-road vehicles set to arrive in the near future. Originally planned for a 2024 debut, its release has been delayed until early 2026 due to production and certification challenges. Despite the delay, the compact Land Cruiser FJ has already generated strong global interest. Toyota is aiming to deliver a rugged and capable off-roader in a smaller and more affordable package, while staying true to the legendary Land Cruiser name. Inspired by the compact cruiser EV concept revealed in 2023, the Land Cruiser FJ features a bold and boxy design that gives it a strong visual presence. Compared to other models in Toyota's lineup, it is slightly larger than the Toyota Corolla Cross, but smaller than the Toyota RAV4. The vehicle measures about 177 inches in length, 72 inches in width, and 72 inches in height. Its wheelbase is approximately 108 inches. These dimensions give it a balanced mix of maneuverability and stability, making it suitable for both daily driving and serious off-road use. The design is clearly focused on adventure. Its upright body, large off-road tires, high ground clearance, and rear-mounted spare wheel highlight its capability. Unlike many compact sport utility vehicles that use car-based platforms, the Land Cruiser FJ is expected to use a body-on-frame construction. This type of platform is known for its durability and strength, especially in off-road conditions. Reports suggest that the FJ will share its foundation with the Toyota Hilux Champ, a tough pickup truck designed for rough terrain. This setup, combined with a four-wheel drive system and a torsion-limited slip differential, will allow the FJ to handle steep hills, rocky paths, and uneven trails with confidence. Toyota has not officially confirmed the engine choices, but it is widely believed that the Land Cruiser FJ will come with a gasoline engine as standard. One likely option is a 2.7-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 161 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. This engine is already used in the Toyota Hilux Champ. In regions like North America, where drivers expect more performance, Toyota may offer a stronger engine such as the 203 horsepower powertrain found in the Toyota RAV4. A hybrid version is also possible, especially in markets where fuel efficiency regulations are stricter. While there has been some speculation about a fully electric version, Toyota has not provided any official confirmation. The global release of the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ is expected in the first months of 2026. In Japan, the starting price is projected to range from $26,600 to $30,000 United States dollars. In North America, it may begin at around $35,000, with high-end trims potentially going beyond $45,000. Even at its highest price, the FJ will remain much more affordable than the full-size Land Cruiser, which starts above $56,000 in the United States. With its rugged design, durable platform, and flexible engine options, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ is built for adventure. It is an ideal choice for those who want a capable, compact off-road vehicle without paying the premium price of larger sport utility vehicles. The 2025 Honda CR-V is not just an SUV, It is a trusted companion for every journey, designed to cater to families, adventurers, and daily commuters alike. Are you searching for a vehicle that seamlessly combines comfort, practicality, and advanced engineering? Stay tuned as we dive into what makes the 2025 Honda CR-V a standout in the competitive world of crossovers. Honda has built a legacy of reliability, and the CR-V is no exception. For 2025, the CR-V continues its tradition of being one of the most versatile and dependable vehicles on the market. This SUV is available with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, giving you the flexibility to choose what suits your lifestyle. The non-hybrid models are powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 190 horsepower. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, providing a smooth, confident ride whether you are navigating city streets or embarking on long highway drives. While competitors like the Mazda CX5 focus on sporty driving dynamics and the Ford Bronco Sport targets off-road enthusiasts, the Honda CR-V strikes a perfect balance. It offers dependable handling, excellent build quality, and an intuitive driving experience that appeals to a wide range of drivers. One of the CR-V's standout features is its versatility. The non-hybrid lineup includes the LX, EX, and XL trims, all equipped with the turbocharged engine and a host of features designed to make driving enjoyable. For those who prioritize fuel efficiency without compromising on power, Honda offers hybrid options with the Sport, Sport L, and Sport Touring trims. These models deliver remarkable fuel economy along with more power, making them ideal for eco-conscious drivers. Inside the 2025 CR-V, you will find a cabin designed with both comfort and practicality in mind. The front seats are engineered to reduce fatigue, making long journeys more enjoyable. Most models feature 18-inch wheels and hill descent control, enhancing stability on challenging terrains. Additionally, the CR-V has a towing capacity of up to 1,500 pounds when properly equipped, adding utility for those who need it. The technology offerings in the CR-V cater to modern needs. The LX and EX trims include a 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. For a more premium experience, the XL trim boasts a 9-inch display, wireless smartphone integration, and wireless charging. Rear seat passengers are not left out, thanks to additional USB-C ports that keep everyone connected. Cargo space is another highlight, with up to 39 cubic feet of storage available behind the second row, making it perfect for groceries, luggage, or outdoor gear. Fuel efficiency is an area where the CR-V excels. The non-hybrid models achieve an estimated 28 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Even with all-wheel drive, the numbers remain impressive. In real-world tests, the all-wheel drive XL model achieved 31 miles per gallon on the highway, proving that efficiency does not compromise performance. The 2025 Honda CR-V is a reliable, well-rounded SUV that continues to lead in the areas that matter most. With its proven track record, exceptional comfort, and thoughtful features, it remains a top choice for drivers around the globe. Whether you need a dependable family vehicle or an adventure-ready companion, the Honda CR-V delivers in every way. The 2026 BMW M3 is set to mark a new chapter for one of the most iconic performance sedans in the world. For nearly 40 years, the M3 has been a benchmark in the sports sedan segment, combining power, precision, and daily usability. The upcoming generation, expected to debut for the 2026 model year, will push the boundaries even further by introducing major updates. Most notably, the arrival of an all-electric version for the very first time. BMW has confirmed that the next generation M3 will be available with an electric powertrain. While the company has not revealed exact figures or specifications, it is promised that the new M3 will set new standards in performance. Electric power means instant torque and blistering acceleration, and the M3 will certainly use that to its advantage. However, BMW is not abandoning internal combustion. Spy photos have shown a camouflaged prototype with 4 exhaust pipes, which strongly suggests that a high-powered gasoline version is also in the works. This dual approach means future M3 buyers will likely be able to choose between electric excitement and traditional engine thrills. The 2026 M3 will be built on an all-new platform that will also support the upcoming 3 Series lineup. This next-generation architecture is designed to accommodate both electric and gasoline powertrains, offering flexibility and future readiness. BMW first hinted at this new design direction with the Vision Neue Klasse concept shown in 2023. That concept blended futuristic styling with a retro touch, and the new M3 is expected to carry over some of those elements, though with the aggressive bodywork that defines every M3. Expect wide fenders, sculpted bumpers, and bold aerodynamic touches. Performance has always been the core of the M3, and the 2026 version will be no different. Whether you choose the electric or gasoline variant, the car is expected to deliver sharp handling, strong acceleration, and the kind of driver engagement that the M badge demands. Though exact figures for horsepower or acceleration times have not been released, BMW has made it clear that performance will be a top priority. On the outside, recent images of a camouflaged prototype show the classic M3 features: flared fenders, large disc brakes, and a sporty stance. These design cues suggest that while the M3 is evolving, it is still staying true to its performance roots. Pricing is expected to start around $80,000 and could go up to $90,000 depending on trim and equipment. The electric version will likely carry a higher price tag than the gasoline model due to its advanced technology and battery components. BMW has not yet released detailed pricing, range, or features, but more information will follow as the launch date approaches. The 2026 BMW M3 promises to deliver a thrilling experience no matter the powertrain. With cutting-edge technology, bold new design, and legendary performance, it is ready to lead the next generation of performance sedans into a new era. The legendary Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is making a return, and the latest prototypes spotted near Ford's headquarters in Dearborn, Michigan, confirm that testing is well underway. Based on the current Mustang Dark Horse, these early development vehicles hint at what could be the most powerful version of the Mustang yet. At first glance, the body of these prototypes looks very similar to the Mustang Dark Horse, but a closer inspection reveals several key differences. The front fascia has been redesigned with larger air intakes and visibly bigger radiators behind the mesh grille, pointing to a need for greater cooling. This suggests the presence of a high-performance engine under the hood. The front wheel arches also appear slightly reshaped, most likely to fit wider, performance-oriented tires. Around the rear, camouflage hides portions of the body, indicating that Ford is keeping some final design changes under wraps. Despite the heavy disguise, the test cars already show hints of what is to come. The vehicles are rolling on two different types of wheels. Some feature the same wheels used on the previous generation GT500, while others are equipped with lightweight carbon fiber wheels. These wheels are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, known for their high grip and track-ready performance. Meanwhile, the standard wheels now come with Pirelli P0R tires, replacing the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires seen on the last model. For comparison, the Mustang Dark Horse uses Pirelli P0 Trofeo RS tires, also built for high-performance handling. While the current test cars still share many elements with the Dark Horse, the final production version of the Shelby GT500 is expected to be much more distinct. A new grille design, a reshaped hood, and an aerodynamic package that boosts downforce and improves stability at high speeds are all likely. A playful detail found on these test cars is a cartoon mule sticker placed on the fenders, a tradition among Ford engineers marking development vehicles. This round of testing comes after recent rumors about a new powertrain for the Shelby GT500. According to a leaked internal document from the United Auto Workers Union, Ford plans to produce a new engine for the 2026 model at its Dearborn engine plant. The engine is reportedly named Legend, hinting at a completely new and possibly more advanced power unit. The previous generation, Shelby GT500, came with a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine that delivered 760 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque. The upcoming model is expected to match or even exceed these impressive figures. With enhanced cooling systems, upgraded tires, and a focus on aerodynamics, the next GT500 aims to set a new standard in American performance.